guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is V if you don't know, and I'm back. And spend the morning with me. So I'm about to journal right now. It's about 10:50. I'm gonna let you guys into my mind a little bit because I was supposed to wake up at 9 and do a schedule, like full on productive and like my dream morning routine and film it. And I didn't wake up until 10 because of two things. I'm not even gonna get into it, but I've full on planned out 2 videos and haven't done them. And I'm like, bro, what is going on? Like, I've been forgetting to fill out my to-do list. I didn't do Friday or Saturday. Like, there's been so much stuff, like I'm planning it, but I'm not doing it. And a lot of it, the first video, like I can't even really blame myself, but the Hoko vlog, I just ran out of time. My eyeshadow was taking too long. And then I was supposed to film a Get Ready With Me for homecoming on TikTok. Didn't film that either. Well, I started it, didn't finish it. And then I was like, when I get home, I'm gonna film some TikToks. I was too tired. So it's just been a lot. Like, I'm like, bro, I can't keep doing this. So even though I didn't wake up at 9 a.m. today and do a full-on thing and have it all just everything I wanted it to be, I'm still gonna film a video. So instead of me doing like my 9 a.m. morning routine, I'm just gonna do like a spend the morning with me, like just a regular old morning, just spend the morning with me, stuff that I regularly do in the morning. And yeah, it's just about self-discipline, because when I tell you, I was like, I'm just not gonna film today. Again, 3rd video I done planned out and I'm not gonna film, or it was just, I was like, no, I can't do that. Like, if I'm not gonna film a morning routine, I'm gonna film a spend the morning with me, like whatever. Whether I woke up at 10 a.m., 11 a.m., I was gonna film this video because I can't keep doing that to myself. That's how you lose trust in yourself. And discipline is key. Like, no matter what, just have discipline. Not everything is gonna go right all the time, and that's been a theme in my life lately, but you just have to make the best out of everything. So here we are. It's currently 10:54. I'm off schedule because I did still schedule like stuff I want to do, but it's okay because it's fine. I've been getting sick, so if I sound stuffy, like, don't mind me. I'm about to journal and fill out my to-do list for Sunday. So here's Sunday right here, and then like I have a week reflection. Here were the other days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'm gonna fill out Sunday, and then at the end of today, I'm gonna fill out my week reflection. And I have a lot of things to say because I wasn't too productive content-wise this week. So we're gonna get that together.
Side to side, make sure your shoulders are pressed down.
I'm gonna finish the rest of my workout off camera. Basically, I'm gonna do 10 minutes of I'm gonna do 10 minutes of intense abs, 5-minute waist, 10-minute back. I'm gonna do my dumbbell routine again, and then I'm gonna stretch, and then I'm done. I'll put the links of the workouts I do today in my bio if you want to try my routine. And yeah, this routine actually helped me a lot in the summer, and I gained a lot of results. And then school started and I went right back to square one. But it's okay because we're fixing it and we're routining ourselves and we're scheduling ourselves. So I'm back at it. Like Gunna said, I'm back at it. It was really like disappointing seeing me like lose all my results, but it's okay because I'm right back and I'm going to be consistent this time. I was consistent last time until school, but I'm going to be consistent like all the time. Like I'm going to make time to work out and take time for me and not just school and tennis and everything else. So yeah, I just finished my workout. I think the reason why I be so unmotivated to do our workouts is because they hurt. But it's like a hurt where it's like, ugh. Like if I'm doing like butt workouts or leg workouts, like I'll take that pain. But like ab workouts, it's just something about them. It's like, no, like I don't want to do this. I did it. And yeah, so a little workout journey again, and I'm gonna document it this time. So yeah, I'm just on a workout journey again. Before, when I was consistent, my waist was on boop, stomach was on flat, back was snatched, and I've gained it all back. It's okay because we're gonna be consistent. Self-discipline over motivation, for sure. So yeah, even if you're unmotivated to do your workout, you have to have the discipline to do it, or else you're never going to change. You're always going to be stuck in that limited mindset because you feel like you can't do it and you don't want to do it, blah, 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 blah. No, you have to have self-discipline and really push yourself to do it because it's only going to benefit you in the end and your elderly body and all that. So just be consistent, and be disciplined. Forget motivation. It comes and goes. Discipline is forever. I'm finna get a shower, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast, and then I'm gonna do schoolwork. Some schoolwork I need to catch up on. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to make egg and bacon sandwich for me and my mom. It is currently 2 p.m. I had stuff to do, like other stuff, because I'm going somewhere today, so that's why I'm a little backed up, but it's fine. This is like normal. I don't be eating until the afternoon, but I'm still gonna include it in my morning routine because if I did wake up on time, I would have been eating. It would have been like at least 12 right now, which is fine, but it's okay. So yeah, I usually don't even eat breakfast in the morning. I start eating at the afternoon. I'm gonna put the bacon in after I finish frying these 2 eggs. I'm gonna put the bacon in the oven. Yeah. The first 2 eggs are done. These are mine. I absolutely hate yolk, so those will be scraped out. But yeah, now I'm about to do the bacon. My brother made bacon earlier, as you can tell, but I'm still gonna use it because what's the point of not using it?
You do that. What is wrong with you?
Hey, Let me put it right in my video. So boom. Wait, so the milk decides if it wants to be pee or poop? Okay guys, I just finished eating. It was good. It was good. Could have been better, but yeah. Right now I'm about to do my makeup, so I actually don't have time to do some schoolwork right now. So I'm just gonna have to do it later, and hopefully I get the time to do it later, because especially my physics, because it is crucial. To say the least, it is crucial that I get that done. But tonight I have to go to my little sister's birthday party. Well, not tonight, right now. It's like almost 4, so hopefully I get time. Or I'm gonna cry.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you.
Okay guys, I'm done. I'm gonna put lip gloss on my lips, so it won't just be like this, but I'm done with my makeup. So I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment if you can, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.